How to make money on Kick.com. Hi there, in this video we will learn how you'll be able to make profit here using the Kick platform. So in order for you to create your account here, you can just go to your web browser and just go to Kick.com. You can either sign up if you haven't created any account yet, or you sign into your existing Kick.com account. So in order for you to make money here, it's basically just streaming into your videos, getting followers, and reaching a specific time of stream time so that you'll be able to make profit from it. So, in order for you to stream, you actually need to have applications like the OBS Studio or XSplit. These are platforms where it allows you to stream with using Kick.com. So, it is a software or is a platform that allows you to or that helps you do the streaming. So you will need to connect your Kick into these platforms so that you can start your own stream as well. So you can see here there's XSplit, you can sign in and create an account. But going back to Kick.com, in order for you to make profit from it, you can look into the details on how to monetize. You can just click on your profile right here at the top right corner and just go to settings. And here on the left side panel of the screen, you just need to go into achievements. But before you go to achievements, you can look into Stream Key. This is where you will be able to find the URL and the Stream Key in order for you to connect your Kick.com into OBS or into XSplit. Or you can even use Restream as well, right here. This is another platform that it also allows you to create or to stream with Kick using the street using Restream platform. So when you go to stream here, you'll be able to see the details on how many viewers you have, how many sessions you've had, and how many followers you have as well. Here, you'll be able to see that your account, or my account rather, is currently offline. But in order for you to monetize that here, what you can do is go to the left side panel of the screen and you'll be able to see the achievements. The achievement part of the Kick.com. This is where you will be able to find the details on how you will be able to monetize just by streaming here on Kick. So here you'll be able to see that before you will be able to monetize your account here on Kick, you will need to become an affiliate first. So to be able to have or to become an affiliate, you need to have 75 total of followers at least, and you need to hang with your community at least 5 hours. Once these has been reached rather, you will be able to enable subscriptions, so you will have a lot of subscribers into your account after that. So once you've reached the 75 followers and streamed for a total of 5 hours, you will now become a affiliate here into the Kick.com platform. So once you are an affiliate, you will now be able to verify or have a verification into your platform. So you can see you need to monetize your channel here. So you need to reach a total of 20 subscribers in the last 30 days so that you will be able to become verified. So subscribers are what makes you make money here on Kick. So the more subscribers you have, you will definitely monetize your channel with that. So you need to maintain your community for at least 75 viewers at least in the last 30 days. And the next here is consistency is the key, where you need to have 12 days and or stream a total of 12 days streaming in the last 30 days. You also need to have 30 hours in the last 30 days, and you need to have 300 unique chatters in the last 30 days so that you will be able to have your account verified. So this would definitely help you as well gain more subscribers once your account is verified. This will assure you that you will definitely be able to make profit just by streaming here on Kick. So here with Kick, it does not only cater game for gamers, they also have um, streaming just for chats or anything that you may think of. They definitely cater that here. So we'll look into that later on once we will be finished all of these here on this creator dashboard. Just wait for the load. So going back to the Kick platform here or on the homepage, you just need to click here at the back to Kick at the bottom part of the left panel. And here you'll be able to see that there's a lot of streamers that are currently online, and you will be able to see on how many viewers they currently have. So these are the featured streams here. So most of it actually are streaming for video games, but you can see you can have here just chatting. These are the top 5 categories. You also have GTA, Call of Duty, slots and casino, Minecraft, and a lot more. So here are your top live groups. You have games, you have IRL, music, gambling, creative. So it actually offers a lot of variety for you to start making money and for you to stream as well. Right here, just need to look into these informations. So you can see there's a lot of streamers right now where most of it are actually for gaming channels. So they actually have a lot of viewers for that. So you can see here there's a lot of recommended accounts for you on this left side panel of the screen. So this is actually, you can look into these types of streams so that you will be able to be guided on how you'll be able to gain followers, how you'll be able to gain viewers, so you can take notes on how or what are their practices and how you will be able to gain audience just by streaming here on Kick. So you can browse into all those details, look into the live streams, or look into their accounts on what are the most viewed streams here, and then you can definitely use that as well. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.